Hey y'all, try the BULDAK spicy ramen with me. I'm really excited to try these noodles because I've been craving them and seeing them all over the internet. I love a good cheese and spice combination, so let's go. So first we're gonna boil the water. I like to get my water at a good boil before I place in my pasta or noodles. So I'm gonna wait until that's done, and then I'm gonna add in my pasta and make sure that's simmering well. These right here, hold on y'all, right here. These are the sauce and seasoning packs. So the pasta is done, so we're gonna add in our sauce, mix it up. I also had cooked some eggs, y'all. So we're gonna mix up the pasta. Honest review, they are good. I wish they were a little spicier, but they came out good. Thanks for watching, y'all.